The 2026 Porsche Panamera is here, and it's nothing short of a revolution. Blending cutting-edge technology, top-tier performance, and unmistakable Porsche DNA, this luxury sports sedan has undergone its most significant evolution yet. At Auto Revive, we take a deep dive into the bold new chapter of the Panamera legacy, one that aims to redefine grand touring in the age of electrification, innovation, and design excellence. The first thing you notice is the design. While staying true to its unmistakable fastback silhouette, the 2026 Panamera embraces sharper lines, a wider stance, and enhanced aerodynamics. Porsche has refined the front fascia with slimmer matrix LED headlights and a reworked bumper that subtly nods to the Taycan's futuristic styling cues. The rear has also been refreshed with a seamless light bar and a cleaner tailgate design, giving the car a more aggressive yet elegant profile. New paint options, updated wheel designs, and refined trim packages offer more personalization than ever before. But aesthetics only scratch the surface of what this Panamera offers. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the surface, Porsche introduces a significantly updated powertrain lineup. While the lineup still includes powerful V6 and V8 engines, the focus has clearly shifted to electrified performance. The Panamera Turbo e-Hybrid now leads the charge, combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with a high-output electric motor for a total of 670 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This translates into a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.2 seconds, rivaling many supercars while still delivering superior comfort and range. The hybrid system has been completely overhauled for the 2026 model. A larger 25.9 kWh battery now provides up to 90 km of electric-only range, making short commutes emission-free. The charging system has been upgraded to support faster AC charging up to 11 kilowatts, cutting downtime significantly. Regenerative braking has also been refined, offering smoother transitions between regenerative and mechanical braking to improve efficiency and driver feel. Handling has always been a Panamera strength, and Porsche has further pushed the envelope with its new active ride suspension system. It uses electric actuators instead of traditional hydraulic components, delivering an astonishing blend of ride comfort and cornering agility. The car actively adjusts its damping and ride height in real time, allowing it to glide over potholes in comfort mode or stiffen dramatically during spirited driving. It can even lean into corners like a motorcycle or lower itself at high speeds to reduce drag. Inside, the 2026 Panamera ushers in a new digital era. Borrowing heavily from the Taycan, the dashboard features up to 3 large digital displays. The 12.6-inch curved driver display is fully customizable, while the center 12.3-inch infotainment screen runs on Porsche's new infotainment software, offering smoother transitions, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A third optional passenger screen lets the front passenger stream videos, navigate routes, or control media without distracting the driver. Interior materials have also been upgraded. A wider use of recycled and sustainable materials complements the traditional leather and aluminum finishes. New options include Race Tech's microfiber headliners and customizable ambient lighting. The seats have been redesigned for better support and long-distance comfort, with massaging functions and ventilation now standard on higher trims. Rear passengers also benefit from added space and tech. The executive versions of the Panamera offer extended legroom, reclining seats, and dual rear entertainment screens. Rear passengers can also control climate, media, and seating functions via a dedicated touchscreen in the center armrest. For those who want a limousine-like experience wrapped in Porsche performance, this configuration checks every box. Porsche hasn't ignored the importance of safety either. The 2026 Panamera comes standard with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new AI-powered predictive navigation system that adjusts the car's driving characteristics based on traffic, terrain, and driver behavior. Night vision, intersection assist, and automatic emergency braking are now more accurate, thanks to upgraded sensors and cameras. On the road, the Panamera delivers what Porsche promises: unfiltered performance and exceptional refinement. In electric mode, it's whisper quiet, gliding through the city with zero emissions. Engage Sport or Sport Plus, and the car transforms. The exhaust snarls, the suspension firms up, and the acceleration is relentless. Yet even at high speeds, the cabin remains serene, insulated from wind and road noise. Whether on a winding mountain pass or cruising down a highway, the 2026 Panamera proves itself a masterclass in duality. Porsche has also given thought to sustainability beyond the drivetrain. The production of the new Panamera involves carbon-neutral processes at the Leipzig factory, and parts of the interior use responsibly sourced or recycled materials. This aligns with the brand's long-term goal of becoming a carbon-neutral company by 2030. Even the packaging used for vehicle components has been revised to minimize waste. With pricing starting at around $100,000 and climbing well above $180,000 for top trims, the 2026 Panamera isn't for everyone. But for those who value a blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge innovation, it's hard to find a more compelling option. Porsche has ensured that this generation of the Panamera is not just an evolution, but a transformation, modern, mindful, and unmistakably thrilling. From the racetrack to the boardroom, the Panamera continues to deliver on its promise of being the ultimate sports sedan. It doesn't just move the goalpost, it redefines it entirely. The 2026 Porsche Panamera is proof that driving passion and environmental responsibility can coexist, wrapped in a body that looks as good as it drives. Thanks for tuning into Auto Revive. For more reviews, updates, and deep dives into the most exciting cars in the world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The road ahead just got a whole lot more thrilling.